Hello everybody. This was an area I couldn't progress with in the building of the Mercury Matador, and that was the undercarriage. And I tried, I hope successfully, to explain how it was constructed, and I think it's a rather clever design, but the undercarriage was missing from the kit. So I got some 3mm piano wire yesterday, and I've just bent it up to shape using the plan here. And I'm now going to try to install it, hopefully with these cable ties, as I said I was going to in the other video. And hopefully it doesn't lead to too many ancient Anglo-Saxon words. We'll see. So there's the cowl. I'm going to locate this using magnets. I've decided that's the way I'm going to do it. We'll flip it over. You can see, I hope, the runners that take the undercarriage, and it should, in theory, slide in, and it does very neatly. It slides in, and you can see that the top of the legs are hitting these bearers, so it's a strong point. And I've actually clad that side in plywood and this side in plywood, and hopefully that'll stop these cable ties from biting into the wood. So there's the undercarriage on. I've scrounged together a couple of wheels from another unopened kit, as we always tend to do. I flick that over. I think that looks rather neat. So there we go. That's what it looks like. Squat little thing, isn't it? We'll take them off and let's see if I can get these cable ties on through these two holes and back through. Do you know I might be able to do this without tweezers? You see his famous last words. Nearly. I missed my vocation in life. I think I should have been a microsurgeon working in confined spaces. It's all by feel, this, because no, I just can't reach in enough. So it's going to be tweezers. These tweezers will hold. And then force. There you go. Have I got it? That's through. So all I need to do now is to feed this through. You go the reassuring click, and that's one on. Hope you can see how that works. That's one on. Let's see if I can do the other one. Nearly there. I think this is far more logical than trying to do it with threading it on. I mean, that was real old school. Don't know when cable ties were invented, but they're a godsend for this sort of project. There you go. It was worth seeing if that was possible to do before I started putting everything together, because if it hadn't been, I would have been in a world of pain. That's it. That's the undercarriage secured now. That's going nowhere. That's the only issue I've got. Have you noticed? So what I might do, I think I will do, is put a piece of plywood across here, fit it in to stop those from lifting out. I think perhaps that should be, or that makes more sense, doesn't it? Right, that'll get boxed in. Let's cut the surplus off. There's the undercarriage in. Really pleased with that. Great when a plan comes to fruition. There's many a time it doesn't. There we go. Pleased with that. Just a little update. Hope that was entertaining. Bye for now.